Hello students, welcome to my channel Shortened Classes with Renu. Students, आज हम कैलाश चंद्रा का वॉल्यूम 24 और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर 509 करेंगे. 60 वर्ड पर मिनट. बी रेडी. Sir, the Press Council Second Amendment Bill 2004 was introduced by me in the last session, as I submitted in my statement which I laid on the table of the House. I requested the House to consider the Second Amendment because an ordinance had to be issued since the life of the council was expiring. Since the life of the present council was expiring, we had to issue the ordinance. At this stage, I do not think I have much to say because it is a very simple bill. It is only trying to extend the life of the press council till the end of the year. If we are able to finalize the formation of the press council earlier, then of course the present term would expire earlier. You will recall I had said in the course of the last debate that a committee of members of parliament has been working for the drafting of the second bill, which is likely to come up before the end of this session. If time is made available, I will make every effort to bring it before this session itself. The committee has been sitting and they have been able to come to their conclusions more or less. It is now in the drafting stage and I hope it will be possible for me to bring the bill before the House soon. I would not like to go into the merits and demerits of the new bill at this stage. I would only say that it is a very simple bill extending the life of the present council. I hope the House will approve of this at an early date so that I can go to the other house before the budget debate is taken up. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I welcome the Minister's statement that before this session ends, the government would be in a position to bring the Comprehensive Press Council Amendment Bill before this House for consideration because that would be the proper occasion for discussing the working of the press council in depth. He said that this particular bill which seeks to replace the ordinance is a simple bill. No doubt about it, it is a very simple bill dealing with merely the term of the press council and giving life to the press council which would have otherwise expired even today.